Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Boy's Garage. Behind me we got a 2024 F250. Sorry for the heater noise, it's freezing out, but we're doing a valance lights down this way, and then down the rocker. It's gonna go exactly on the pinch weld, so there's no, what's it called? No drilling or nothing on the truck itself. They are from Custom Unlimited. This is not a sponsored ad or nothing. So we'll test, see how they are, and see how we like the kit. Alright, so let's open this kit up and see how it is. Oh damn. We got some stickers. This is for the valance. And this is the rocker installation. Comes with wire. Oh, and these are the mounts for the pinch welds. And I'm assuming this is the rocker light, like the mount for it. Yep. Jesus. This came like my SS bumper did. Well, that should make it pretty easy. So the kit's actually pretty nice. It comes pretty well built. The rocker light. We're gonna do the valance first. We got smoked white LEDs. Yeah, these things come all pre-wired and spaced. This is kind of nice. Oh, it's zip tied. Let's pop this. More wires. Definitely not using these shrink butt connectors. Those suck. And then they gave us a template, so wow, can't get easier than that. Let's get this template on there and go from there. Well, I just measured up dead center on the valance. They gave us a template, which is kind of nice. Makes life a lot easier. So I'm gonna get that template stuck onto the valance. I was looking to see what looks better, because honestly I think down here it's gonna look a lot better than up there, because that's just gonna be hidden with the plate once the truck's on the ground. So let's get this template on there and start drilling. Template on there. Now we're gonna drill these holes and get going. Now we'll just run a 3/4 inch hole saw. Just run them all in. We got the holes all drilled up with the hole saw, but now we just gotta clean these edges up, slap the lights in there. Alright, we got all these lights plugged in. I have to obviously clean it up because the wire just kind of sags, and I really don't like that. You gotta tidy up all the wire. Sorry, my DTD's kicking in. And first I'm gonna do the rocker lights, run it down, and then I'll wire it all up together. They gave us these little S-clip pinch weld mountain brackets. I don't know exactly what it's called, but makes it nice so there's no drilling or nothing, especially in a brand new truck. You don't normally, people don't want to drill into their cab. So these pinch welds are a little thick, and what I like to do, hold it with pliers, because these clips are really strong. I just stretch them out a little bit so I can actually get it on. Just not too much, just stretch it out a little bit and then just hammer it on the rest of the way. Well, sorry for skipping around. I just really video and wiring, and there's absolutely nothing fun about that. but we wired it to the running lights, so running lights are on, and then the rocker lights are on, and same with the valance lights. That's the final product, how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe for more. Till next time, peace.